Hey guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we'll show you how to create a storyboard in Gemini. So, of course, firstly, in order to begin, you need to create your hero shot, and this is going to be your anchor image. And then once you have the look you love, tell Gemini this prompt. So the prompt is as follows. As you can see, using this as frame 1, this is what we mean. This is going to be the image that we just created. All right, don't forget to also click Generate Image, and we will expand this into a 3x3 storyboard grid. And you can use also the 4-beat structure if you wish. Instruct Gemini to dedicate frames 1 to 2 for the setup, 3 to 5 for rising tension, and 6 to 7 for the climax, and also 8 to 9 for the resolution. And after you're done typing in, just make sure to create the image. Now just wait. And also, guys, in terms of the logic, you can ask for example, hyper-realistic cinematic lighting if you wish, and strict visual continuity. And Gemini 3's reasoning model will now calculate the camera angles and lighting shifts for you, keeping your characters consistent across all 9 panels. Alright, so as you can see, we have this image now all together with different steps, as you can see. And yeah, if you wish to download it, press on this button and download it to your computer. And pretty much that's it. Now you can turn your vision into the reality. If this Gemini storyboarding guide helps you launch your project today, smash like and subscribe.